Brawling for you. Barfin Bell, champion, triple strike, and it looked like the monstrous nightmare. Gonna go after this champion triple strike first. Really need to get a heal in here. Storm could lose Stormcutter right here. It's alright. I'll just win this with Sleuther. There we go.